Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Nell and I'm from Ocean Link English Center, and we are going to have our lesson in Unit 13, Look at all the animals, and we'll have vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's start. First is we have the word cow. Cow. Next, we have the word goat. Goat. Very good. Now, please try to listen. Horse. Horse. Amazing. Let's have here the word donkey. Donkey. Correct. Let's say the word sheep. Sheep. Correct. You got it right. Let's have this one. Goose. Goose. Amazing. Excellent, everyone. Let's have here the word loud. Loud. That is right. Correct. Next, try to listen. Quiet. Quiet. Let's have here this one. Let's say fast. Fast. Good job. Let's have this one. Slow. Slow. That's right. Very good. This time, let's practice these vocabularies. Let's check if you know how to name them. Let's start with this one here. We have, is it slow, fast, or loud? If you answer slow, you get the right word. Good job, everyone. Let's have another practice. I want you to look at this picture. Is it goose, loud, or quiet? If you choose the last word, quiet, you got the right word. This one is quiet. Good job. Let's have this practice here. Let's choose which is the right name. Donkey, sheep, or goat. Please choose your answer. Now, if you answer the last one again, the word goat, that is right. This animal here is a goat. Good job. Let's have this one. Please choose the right word for this picture. Is it a horse, a cow, or a goose? What is your choice? Very good, everyone. This one, or this animal, is a cow. Good job. Let's have this one. Please choose the right name for this animal. Is it a donkey, a horse, or sheep? Now, if you choose the second word, horse, you get it right. This one is a horse. Now this time, let's try to read a story. Now try to listen and you can follow after me. Let's start. Wow! Look at all the animals, Billy. Look, this cow is bigger than that cow. Yes, it's the mommy cow. So, number 3. And this sheep is smaller than that sheep. That's right. It's a baby sheep. Look, a baby donkey and a mommy donkey. That's right. That's right, Billy. Amazing. Look at that goat. It's bigger than the other goats. Is it a daddy goat? No, it's a naughty baby goat. And that's the end of our lesson. Thank you so much, everyone, and goodbye.